Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. So it has been a while since we've had a face-to-face talk or a face-to-camera talk or a face-to-screen talk, whatever it's called. So yeah, it's been a while, and literally because the last videos I posted was my Halloween series, and I decided to dedicate my Halloween series to the people that are deaf, and I just felt like it's not every day I need to speak on here and let you guys know how to do things. Like sometimes you need to use your eyesight because not everyone's got the privilege to be able, like the sense of hearing, to be actually able to hear and everything like that. So that's why I did the whole series to people that can't hear, to the deaf. So yeah, but anyways, let's move on with this video. So yes, as you can see, I've injured myself, me being comfy, I was on the stairs, but hey ho. Today is a very special video. We've got a new member of the fam. Like, we've got a new member, and you've probably been hearing him everywhere, but I don't know if you can hear him. I don't think you can, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, we've got a new family member to introduce. And let me see if I can get him because he likes to run away from me sometimes. So guys, let me introduce you to Kyber. I got a cat! Look at him trying to run away. Kyber. He likes it when I hold him sometimes, but sometimes he's like, just put me down. You're a crazy woman, put me down. I'm not a crazy cat woman. Look at him. You're a brave soul, aren't you? Anyways, so I got Kyber, what was it, 2 weeks ago now? Yeah, I think I've had him for about 2 weeks. And it kind of just happened. But yeah, if you like, people that know me, I'm very much like, one day I can do this, and next day I can do something completely different. But Kyber, let go. But anyways, yeah, so how did it happen? So I went to see my friend, my close friend, and her neighbor she's got 2 cats, and one of the cats went out into the wide world, into the big wide world, and came back home pregnant. They did not know this, so she was out there doing her business, getting those boys like, hey, oh, and she got herself knocked up. So she had 6 kittens, and she did not care for them. Literally, she was like, why are you guys all obsessing over these kittens? Like, it's not that big a deal. And literally just didn't care for them. So the family wanted to get rid of the kittens, so they were giving away 6 kittens away for free. Me, I'm a dog person, so I heard about it and I was like, oh, let me just go check it out, like, let's just go see. And then I saw him, and literally I fell in love with him. And I was like, I need to get him. Like, I need to get him. Yeah, a week process of trying to get my mom to agree with it, which was tough. But hey, I got the cat. It happened. So yeah, now I've got a cat. He's 11 weeks now. Yeah, he's 11 weeks now. I don't know what type of cat he is, to be honest. I don't know what breed. But he's got his first vet appointment this week. So hopefully they'll be able to tell me, because I don't know. Literally, I do not know. All I know is a boy. Well, I was told he was a boy. Now my friend is like, oh, are you sure it's not a female? And I'm just like, I don't know. So I shall find out everything at the vet. But anyways, yeah, so the name Kyber, how did that come about? Well, me and my partner, we tried to name him. So the first name that we came up with, well, I wanted to name him Toothless, and I was like, I don't think it suits him, from like How to Train Your Dragon. And then there was another name that I can't remember, but we ended up saying, oh, why don't we pick a spooky name to do with Halloween, because that's when we got him. So we went with Jasper, and then we stuck with Jasper for a day, and then we were like, I don't think that suits him. So what we decided is, like, literally we picked about 5 to 6 names, wrote it on a piece of paper, put it on the floor, and let him choose the name. It was just easier that way. So he chose Toothless once, he chose Jasper once, and he chose Kyber twice. So now his name is Kaiba. But the thing is, my partner sometimes calls him T'Challa from Black Panther, and I'm like, we're not changing his name again, so stop it. So now he's got multiple names at this point. He's got his actual name is Kaiba because my partner was the one that put it into the pile because it's from Yu-Gi-Oh! The show. If you guys watch it or have watched it, it's from there. And yeah, so that's how he ended up with that name. But yeah, so his original name is Kaiba. My partner sometimes calls him T'Challa. My mum calls him Toby because of her friend's dog and everything, and she always gets them confused. So this guy's got multiple names, but I feel like I'm the only one that actually calls him by his name, but the thing is, it's starting to answer to his name, so his name shall be Kaiba and it shall not be changing again, so let's not change it. But anyways, he's a very playful cat, which I like. But the thing is, I feel like he's like his mother, aka me. He's like very energetic and very spoiled, and he knows he is, so I feel like that's why sometimes he chooses to misbehave. But literally look at him right now. He's like playing with a pen. But the thing is, yeah, with him, he's smart but yet stupid at the same time. Like literally, he loves to, the things that he loves to do, yeah. He's like, if you're not paying attention to him, this is how spoiled he is. If you're not paying attention to him, he'll literally look at you, go meow, and then jump onto your leg and be like, pay attention to me. And I'm like, it's not every day about you. It's not. I've got things to do. And he just likes to get in my face and get in my way, don't you? Right now he's too busy playing with a pen. You can probably hear him, but yeah, I just thought I'll do a quick small video to introduce our new member of the family, the new member of the fam. So yeah, it's weird because till today I'm very much like, I got a cat. I actually got a cat. Because growing up, my mom was like, no animals in this house, nothing. No dogs, no cats, no fish, no nothing. Hey, here I come along, I'm like, we're having a cat. We're having a cat. And my mom's like, no. I'm like, yeah. Now we got a cat. And now she's in love with it, so. What was the struggle for? There was no reason for it. Anyways, I'm trying to keep him on the screen so that you guys can see him, but he doesn't wanna. You're hurting my hand. He doesn't want to stay. He's like, get off me, let me down. Can we just, okay, can we, before you go, can you at least say goodbye? Say goodbye. Bye bye. Look at him. Look how cute. Okay, it's done with me. It's done with me. Okay, you could go play. You could just support your girl and just subscribe and hit that bell button. Why are you being difficult? Just hit that bell button. So yeah, but I'm gonna end it there because I need to go soon. So I'm hungry as well. I haven't eaten today. I really probably should eat. So yeah. But anyways, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.